I have here a piece of orange trident. This is what I use to program with. I also have here a trident wrapper. Give that back. No, you can't have that. No, give that back. No, you can't have that. No, no, give that back. No, you can't have that. Kawi, give that back. As you can see, he got some gum. Oh, you stop that. You stop that. You're so naughty. Go chew on my book because I won't let you have the gum. No, give that back. Look, you can have the wrapper. You can have the wrapper. Here, look. See how he leaves the wrapper and he actually is chewing the gum. That's not good for you. That's not good for you. Here. Here, no. You're so naughty. Spit it out. Spit it out. You just spit it out. Kawi, put that down. Put that down. Put that down. No, you can't.